Superstars, good morning, good afternoon, depending on when you're watching the video. My name is Prince Ikilowe. In this short video, I just want to show you how I usually analyze the market, a professional trader, and you want to learn how to really analyze this market. I'm going to show you in this video. So I'll go straight to this is V100. All right. So one thing you want to do is to start your analysis with the higher time frame. Now, with the higher time frame, what you're doing is to look at what the market structure is all about. Now, if you look at this market, the market has been selling for a very long time. And one thing you want to do is to map out those zones, turning points. Now, if you look at this chart, let me put it a little bit. Let me see if I can put it a little bit. Okay, it's very pretty small, so it's not even coming up. All right. Now, if you look at this chart, this place where the market is a flat point. There was a time price got here. Price went all the way to the upside and it crashes. Now, it came here for a retest. This was a zone. Let's see, look at it here. It was a zone. That's why when it retested here, it pushed back. It retested here again. It pushed back down to this level, and at the point it came back again to retest. So here is a zone. This place here, they are key zones. So you need to map out the zones. Zones are where price has touched and bounced back repeatedly. All right, those are the places you want to think about buying or selling decisions. Like now, we have price here right now is on this key level. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back to and take it down to one daily time frame. Now, according to the daily time frame, price has touched. This is where we saw that was looking very flat on a weekly time frame. On a daily time frame is a little bit up. So let's also draw this zone with a week daily time frame. All right, so it's clear that this is indeed a zone. A zone is not a straight line, it's a zone. So let me remove this little. All right, so this trend line also is very important. Now price went all the way down here and it came down straight. So you need to map out the center share. This is an indication that this is again a trend line that you need to take in consideration when you are making your trading decision. So this buy, this sell, this market may still sell to the downside. Maybe though it's very late, the best place to sell this market would have been here. But if somebody wants to still sell this market, it may still come down to this place before it will break. Now, how do you know when to buy? All right, how do you know when to buy this market? But this is the best place to sell here because it's on the very key trend line, daily time frame. Let's break it down to 4 hours time frame. All right, even with the 4 hours time frame, you see that price has actually touched the zone. Look at here. So if you had sold here, you would have made some money. Let me go back to 1 hour time frame. That's how you keep taking it down to time frame to time frame to time frame to learn to map out these points to buy or sell. So let me zoom in a little bit. Okay, so you see the price is actually coming down after touching this trend line. Price is coming down, but another confirmation is very key. You don't want to join the trend, maybe the trade with a higher time frame. You need to bring it down. All right, because of this long sell, what you want to do is also see how you can still draw a counter trend line. All right, because of this long sell. Because of this long sell, you need to still break it, draw a counter trend line if you have to be in this trade. You see something like this, and you see that price has touched the main trend line, and then this counter trend line is also very important because price can see bounce here get to this point and say go back to this test the zone. So what you do is that you want to allow price to break this particular trend line, all right, and then you do a retest. The retest is price coming down, and then go back again to test this particular trend line. At that level, you can now be going into the market with either 15 minutes, 5 minutes time frame to jump on board. But price is already coming down here. Hmm? But allow it because it can still do what it has done here. Look how it did. It came back to test here and it went all the way up. So if you want to be on this sell, you have to allow this trend line to be broken. So one thing we do is you use higher time frame to map up your trend lines and your key support or resistance level. Those are the places that price usually make turning, all right? And then you allow breakout and retest to happen. So for you to make a buy decision for this market, of course, if you want to buy this market is number one is on a key level. Look at this sit-on here, sit-on here is on a key level. Let's even go further. Is on the key. This is another indication that is on the key level. Now, how do you now make that decision to buy? You need to allow the price to you need to allow the price to let me you need to allow the price to break through you need to allow the price to break through this trend line. If price break through this trend line on a higher time frame, maybe like daily or 4 hours time frame, all right, once price break through this trend line on a higher time frame, like now this is a buying decision. Either you sell from here. If you sell from here direct, you know that your profit is maybe here, something like that, right? But for you to be conservative, you need to allow this price to break through this small counter trend line to test before you bring it down. But it's already, for me, it's already late for the sell. Except you just want to scalp, that's okay. You can see scalp from here to here and make a profit. But for the buys to happen, price needs to break through this particular trend line and retest. Then you can answer, okay, buyers has indeed come to the market, and maybe you take your profit in the next zone, maybe here or here. All right. So this is what I have to eat this morning. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're watching the video from YouTube, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and also like the video. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.